Hello and welcome to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open up a Chase Bank account online. Now, if this sounds helpful to you, watch our video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming upload. So the first thing you need to do is open up a browser of your choice. Now in the search bar, type in chase.com and then press enter on your keyboard. After you're done, the official website of Chase will open. Now if you scroll down a bit, you can see various options you can choose from. If you want to create a business account or you want to apply for a credit card, and there are many other things that you can apply for. So let's suppose you want to open up bank savings account. You'll need to click on this. Next, you'll be directed to a new page. Now you can choose between two saving accounts. You can either choose Chase Saving or Chase Premium Savings. These accounts have different features and different fee structures. You can take a look at these, and whichever feature needs, you can choose an account. After that, again a new page will open. Now you can see few of the things that you will need to open an account are listed here. It says you'll need a social security number and a driver license or state ID. Then you can set up your account preferences and you'll be good to go. To continue, you need to choose whether you are a customer of Chase or not. If you are, then you can click on yes. If you are not a customer of Chase, then click on no, then click on next. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal details. It says, are you a US citizen? If you are, then click on yes. Then if you are not a US citizen, click on the no option. If you click on the no option, you need to choose your country. Next, you'll also need to fill in your date of birth and enter in your social security number. Choose the type of ID, whether it's a state ID or a driver license, and also fill in the ID along with the state it was issued. You will also need to fill in your address, your zip code, your city, your state, and also your email address along with your phone number. Now after you filled in all the information, you will need to check these boxes. Now after you're done, you can click on the next button. Then on the next page, you can choose your account preferences and your account of Chase Bank will be created. So that's how you can create your Chase Bank account online. If this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.